So, you braved the aisles of Walmart, and now you're staring at a box full of metal. Let's turn that bike-shaped puzzle into a rideable machine. First, unbox your bike carefully, and make sure you have all the necessary tools. An adjustable wrench, a set of Allen wrenches, a screwdriver, and some grease will be super helpful. Start by attaching the handlebars to the stem, making sure they're center and tightened securely. A wobbly handlebar is a recipe for disaster. Now, let's tackle the front wheel. Open the brake calipers, slide the wheel into the fork, and tighten the axle nuts evenly. Make sure the wheel spins freely without rubbing. Next up is the seat. Insert the seat post into the frame and adjust it to your desired height, ensuring it's clamped down tight. Nobody wants a surprise seat drop mid-ride. Pedals are next, and this is crucial. They're marked L for left and R for right. The right pedal tightens clockwise, to left, counterclockwise. Cross-threading them will ruin the crank arms. Brakes are safety critical. Squeeze the levers, making sure they engage smoothly and stop the wheel effectively. If they feel spongy or don't stop the wheel, you'll need to adjust the brake cable tension. Now, test the gears. Shift through all the speeds, ensuring the chain moves smoothly up and down the cassette. If it skips or hesitates, the derailleur might need adjustment. Inflate the tires to the pressure indicated on the sidewall. Proper tire pressure makes a huge difference in ride quality and prevents flats. Give everything a final check. Are all the bolts tight? Do the brakes work? Do the gears shift smoothly? If everything looks good, you're ready to ride. But if you're unsure about anything, take it to a local bike shop for a safety check.